example of work. Change, design, and keep up with the trends. Sweetie, open your colorful box. Sort the fun pieces first. It makes creating easier. Then pick out the guide or scan the magic code for YouTube tutorials. Start designing your stylish wristband. Stretchy rubber bands, easy to make, endless possibilities. Now make your sparkly, one-of-a-kind bracelet shine. Install the clasps for easy wearing. Stretchy compatibility fits various wrist sizes. Endless possibilities. Swap designs as you like. Let creativity flow through your fingertips. All kinds of flowers, butterflies, insects. Make your one-of-a-kind masterpieces. Endless possibilities. Swap designs as you like. Let creativity flow through your fingertips. The Sparkle Girl Fresh Style Bracelet Kit. Perfect for creative and artistic girls to craft their own unique jewelry pieces. Comes with tools to take it apart easily. Switching styles is a breeze. Let's create a fresh style together. It's the latest fun bracelet DIY kit. Let your creativity flow right in your hands. Stretchy rubber bands, easy to make, endless possibilities. Give it to a friend. Happy sharing. Be your brightest self. Shine on. All kinds of flowers, butterflies, insects. Share this amazing time with my closest friends. We can all have fun playing with it. We're the most radiant princesses in the world.